Hello everyone, Atma Namaste. Welcome to Soham Healer's World. Well, this is the general reading for Cancerian
for the month of May 2021.
and before starting the reading, I would like to say thank you to all my subscribers, to everyone who has given me love and support. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. So yeah, let's begin. So Cancerians, the card that has come for you, the energy of the month is this one. That is the Six of Wands. So basically, this card shows me that in this particular month, you will be getting respect from people. People will praise you for whatever you have done for them. You will be in a position, you will have the power where people will praise you, they will recognize you, they will thank you for whatever you have done for them. And if anybody is planning to get married in this week, or I'm sorry, in this month, or planning or thinking of a potential partner, then chances are that yes, you might find someone in this month. All right, moving towards the first week, the cards are Justice card, Ten of Cups, and Page of Swords reverse. So I see here you being more mature. Some you were waiting for something, God to basically, to support you in something, and you have been fair, you have been very good to people, something you have always been nice, and you have maybe you complain to God that you always do like this and nothing positive happens in my life. So I think something positive is coming up, and especially it is related to your family's happiness. So something good coming up where you will thank God. If you are going through some kind of a court case or something, then the result will be in your favor. So, and that is going to be very, very good for your family life, happiness of the family. You will win that particular case, and you will be happy. And if there is no particular court case, and maybe someone has blamed you for something that you have not done, someone is trying to spoil your image for no reason, then definitely that person is going to be exposed to other people, and you will get justice from the universe. This will also make you feel more mature, more wise, and believe in the higher powers. So yeah, before moving towards the other weeks, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel for the regular updates. Next week, cards are King of Pentacles, Two of Swords reversed, and Eight of Cups reversed. So I see here that there was a lot of confusion in your life. Some kind of negativity was going on in your life, and emotionally you were feeling very, very sad. There was confusion. Maybe you were forced to choose between the options, and both the options were pretty bad. So you are going to overcome through that phase as well. You will, as I said, in the previous week only, that you were going to be more mature and a wise person. Here comes the king after page. So king is the most wise person. In most mature and the wise person in the deck. So basically, you will be at a position, you will be taking care of the responsibilities, people will be praising you, you will be handling your finances pretty well, there will be clarity, and you will be in the process of overcoming that phase of leaving everything or going, and you that is going to be gone from your life now. So you'll be happy at a position where you will get a lot of respect. The third week cards are Seven of Wands, the Empress, and the Chariot. Oh my God, things are happening pretty fast in your case. See, Seven of Wands, this particular card. If you see this particular card, this person has struggled a lot. There were a lot of hurdles in his path, but he has reached at the top. So after that, lot of hurdles, lot of hard work, or people trying to pull you. After that kind of a phase, you will reach at the top. You will be victorious. You will be victorious. You will be sitting at your throne and ruling the world. It can be a happy news for some couples also, and if you're planning to conceive or have a baby, then it can be a good news for you people also. Things will be happening pretty fast. If you're planning to buy a vehicle, automobile, then again it is a good week for you. You can go for it. But overall, it is going to be a payoff week for your hard work. The last three cards are Fool reversed, Wheel of Fortune reversed, and Ten of Wands. You have to believe in your hard work. You cannot just because now you've got the recognition and everything, don't think that there is any shortcut to hard work. Whatever you will try, the shortcuts, things will not work in your favor. So don't go for any shortcut. You have done the hard work, you have got the results of the hard work. So hard work is what universe has planned for you. Once you enjoy the success, another project, another hard work, another task, another project where you will have to put in your hard work is coming your way. So that's about it, Cancerian. Still, if you have any doubt, you can write to me in the comment box. And for the daily and personalized reading, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given in the description box. So good luck.